7 ways to turn a backyard garden into a business. Imagine stepping out your back door every morning, not to mow the lawn, but to walk through your very own business. The smell of fresh herbs, colorful flowers, juicy tomatoes, and every single plant you see is putting cash in your pocket. Most people see a backyard as just extra space. But smart entrepreneurs, they see profit potential rooted in the soil. In today's video, I'm breaking down 7 powerful ways to turn your backyard garden into a real, income-generating business. Each one of these ideas can start small, often under $1,000, and grow to bring in anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 a month depending on how far you want to take it. So, grab your gloves, because we're not just planting seeds today. We're planting income streams. 1. Microgreens. Farming startup. Cost: $500, $1,000, potential profit, $3,000, $7,000 month. If you want a fast-growing business, literally, start with microgreens. These tiny plants like arugula, kale, radish, and sunflower shoots grow in just 10-14 days and sell for $25, $50 per pound to restaurants, farmers markets, and health-conscious customers. All you need is a few shelves, trays, lights, and soil. Market to local chefs, grocery stores, and even gyms. Create a subscription delivery plan for consistent income. It's clean, quick, and incredibly profitable per square foot. 2. Backyard plant nursery startup. Cost: $1,000, $2,000, potential profit, $2,000, $6,000 month. Turn your backyard into a mini plant nursery, growing ornamentals, houseplants, succulents, or native species. People are obsessed with plants right now. You can sell through local Facebook groups, weekend pop-up markets, or directly from your property. Start with high-demand plants like herbs, tomato starts, or succulents. They're easy and multiply fast. Add signage, create a cute local brand, and soon your neighbors will be buying from you instead of the big-box stores. 3. Cut flower business startup cost: $1,000, $2,500, potential profit, $3,000, $8,000 month. If your garden is bursting with blooms, turn it into a cut flower business. Florists, brides, and event planners are always looking for fresh, local flowers, and small-scale growers can compete by focusing on quality and unique varieties. Sell bouquets at farmers markets or through local subscriptions, like a flower CSA, where customers pay up front for weekly deliveries. With just a quarter acre, you can grow thousands of stems every season. 4. Backyard composting service startup. Cost: $500, $1,000, potential profit, $2,000, $5,000 month. Turn kitchen scraps and yard waste into black gold. Start a compost collection service. Pick up food scraps from neighbors, cafes, and small restaurants for a small fee, and turn it into high-quality compost to sell to gardeners and farmers. It's eco-friendly, community-driven, and super scalable. You're helping the planet while building a steady, sustainable income. 5. Garden-to-table products startup cost: $1,000, $2,000, potential profit, $3,000, $7,000 month. Transform your harvest into high-value products. Think homemade herbal teas, dried spice mixes, organic jams and jellies, pickles, sauces, or hot honey. You can sell them at farmers markets, online, or to local stores. Even better, turn your kitchen into a cottage food business. The margins are huge because you're using your own ingredients. 6. Backyard workshops and classes. Startup cost: $500, $500, potential profit, $2,000, $6,000 month. If you love teaching, your garden can become a classroom. Host gardening workshops, composting tutorials, herbal medicine classes, or DIY floral design sessions. Charge $30, $100 per person, and keep groups small for a personal experience. You can also host private events, garden parties, team building days, or homeschool field trips. Your backyard becomes both an experience and a business. 7. Beekeeping and honey sales startup. Cost: $800, $1,500, potential profit, $3,000, $8,000 month. Bees are booming, and so is the demand for local honey. With just a few hives, you can harvest gallons of honey, beeswax, and even pollen. Sell honey jars, beeswax candles, or create bee experiences where people pay to learn about beekeeping up close. Bonus: your entire garden will thrive from the pollination. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about turning your side hustle into a full-time income. Check out our exclusive courses and resources below. They're packed with templates, pricing guides, and growth systems to help you get started fast. Bonus tip: the backyard brand strategy. Don't just sell products, build a brand story. People love supporting small, authentic, local producers. Show your process on social media, share your garden's transformation, and give your customers a piece of that journey. That emotional connection is what turns one-time buyers into loyal fans. And that's how you grow from backyard business to full-blown brand. Let's recap the 7 profitable backyard business ideas: microgreens farming, 3K 7K month backyard plant nursery, 2K 6K month cut flower business, 3K 8K month composting service, 2K 5K month garden to table products, 3K 7K month workshops and classes, 2K 6K month beekeeping and honey sales, 3K 8K month. Each of these can start small, but if you stay consistent, they can grow into something big, because the truth is, you don't need acres of farmland to make money from the soil. You just need creativity, consistency, and the courage to start. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your empire, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, right here on Kingdom Cash.